So we're gonna start in the Lumetri color panel up at the top in this first section called Basic Correction. So of course, this is where we're gonna be fixing any problems with our shot and getting it back to looking nice and natural. Now the first setting in this section is called Input LUT. And if you know what that means, then why are you even here? That is such an advanced setting. You don't need this color lesson, okay? If you don't know what this means, then don't worry about it now. It's much more important that you go through and learn all the other stuff in this color lesson, and then you can come back and research that later if you want. Next, we've got settings for white balance, and this is all about making the white in your shots look white. You don't want the white to be looking too orange or too green, or your shot ain't gonna look right. Now, besides adjusting these tint and temperature sliders here, you can also use this eyedropper that says White Balance Selector to click and select a part of your shot that should be white, and that will automatically adjust these sliders for you and get your white balance on point. But if that doesn't work well, you can always just reset this by double-clicking this eyedropper, or you can reset a single slider by double-clicking on it. All right, next up we've got tone settings, and first I want you to notice this beautiful auto button down here that you might want to start with. Now, sometimes this thing does a phenomenal job and you can just move on to the next shot, and sometimes it's a hot mess and it misses the mark. And if that happens, you can just click this reset button, or you can manually tweak these sliders here, and these settings should look familiar to you. And when you're done, you can see whether you like what you just did by unchecking this checkbox here, or by clicking this FX button by Lumetri Color. All right, y'all, we are done. Congrats to us. We just finished that first section, Basic Correction. And in the next video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add some stylized, creative looks to your video. So I'll see you there.